Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix Minecraft Java Edition not launching on your Windows 11 PC. For the first method, open the Windows search and type Minecraft. When you see Minecraft Launcher, right-click on it and select App Settings. Scroll down until you find the Terminate button and click on it to completely close the app. After that, click Repair and wait for Windows to finish repairing the installation. Once the process is complete, launch Minecraft again and check if the issue has been fixed. If Minecraft still does not open, move on to the second method. Go back to the same App Settings page, click Terminate once again, and then select Reset Confirm by clicking Reset again. This will restore the app to its default state. When the reset is finished, try launching Minecraft Java Edition again. If the problem continues, use the final method. From the same page, click Uninstall and confirm to remove the Minecraft launcher from your computer. After the uninstall is complete, repeat the same process with Minecraft Java Edition and uninstall it as well. Now, open the Microsoft Store from the Windows search. Search for Minecraft Java, open Minecraft, Java, and Bedrock Edition for PC, and reinstall it. Once the installation is complete, launch the game again. In most cases, this fresh installation resolves the problem. Thanks for watching.